Subject-G.K, in which we will discuss again Unit 5 from Chapter 21 to 24, and we will revise full syllabus of GK. Now we will start with Unit 5, Science and Technology, Branches of Medicine, Artificial Satellite, Human Body, Father of Science, which already we discussed in first term in video 11 and 12. Branches of Medicine, we will revise these one because already these chapters we have discussed in video 11 and 12. Care of infant children and adolescent. The branch of the medicine is known as pediatrics. Study of bones and diseases, orthopedic. Study and treatment of mental disorder, psychiatry. Fourth, disease of the lungs and the respiratory system, pulmonology. Study, diagnosis and treatment of cancer and other malignant diseases, oncology. Diseases of the kidney, nephrology, blood and its diseases, hematology. Eighth, endocrine glands and hormones, endocrinology. Ninth, treatment of the organs of digestion, gastroenterology. 10th, diseases of the heart and cardiovascular system, cardiology. 11th, medical care of elderly, geriatrics. The skin and its diseases, dermatology. Next chapter is Artificial Satellite, chapter number 22. And we know artificial satellites are those satellites which are man-made. And these satellites are very useful for us because we use it for communication, to know the weather report, and for many purposes. Online work is done due to these artificial satellites only. So let's discuss or revise this chapter. The first satellite launched by the US on April 1, 1960 to transmit television image from space. The name of that artificial satellite is Trios-1. The first communication satellite launched by India on April 19, 1975, Aryabhatta. The first Indian military satellite launched by India on August 30, 2013, GS-87. The first commercial communication satellite placed in geosynchronous orbit on April 6, 1965 by the US, Intelsat-1. The first satellite with radio transmitter launched by Russia on October 4, 1957, Sputnik-1. This communication satellite of India configured to carry a total of 48 communication transponder launched on December 7, 2014, GSAT-16. Next chapter, human body. Let's revise this one also. Beside helping us to hear sound, our internal ear also help us to keep our balance. Second, the bones that give shape to our body are mainly made up of calcium. Third, the color of our skin is due to the presence of melanin. Fourth, red color of blood is due to presence of hemoglobin, which already we discussed in circulatory system chapter in science. Fifth, the main control center of our body is our brain. Sixth, when we sweat, our body cools down, and we know due to evaporation. Seventh, organs that throw out carbon dioxide from our body are our lungs. Eighth, our skin protects our internal body parts from dust and germs present everywhere around outside, and there are about dash muscles in our body which are responsible for almost all kinds of movements that our body shows. 650. About 60% of our body weight is due to water only. Value based knowledge. Drink more and more water. It will keep you healthy. And did you know? Enzyme control the chemical reaction in our body. Now let's revise next chapter, Father of Science. Father of Science. Who is the father of geometry? Euclid. Who is the father of psychology? Sigmund Freud. Who is the father of computer? Charles Babbage. And who is the father of Indian chemistry? P.C. Ray. Who is the father of medicine? Hippocrates. And who is the father of genetics? Gregor John Mendel. Father of botany, Theophrastus. Father of nuclear physics, Ernest Rutherford. Father of railway, Gregor Stephenson. Father of immunology, Edward Jenner. Father of atomic bomb, Julius Robert Oppenheimer. Father of biology, Aristotle. Father of buoyancy, Archimedes. These scientists give us many concepts. Revision test from the whole syllabus of GK or final term. What are adventure sports? Second question, which efficient footballer is nicknamed as the phenomenon? Third, name any 5 sports based films. Fourth, name any 4 sports with the stadium. Fifth, complete the given sequence E, H, K, N dash 10 dash 20 25 30. Complete verbal reasoning. First, sentence is to paragraph as word is to dash. Second, never is to seldom as always is to dash. Fill-ups. First, dash is a person who drive a car as a profession. Second, dash is a person who studies rocks and soils. Third, exposure to sunlight is the source of dash. Fourth, dash is known as father of Indian medical system. Fifth, dash is known as father of genetics. Sixth, the main control center of our body is our dash. So revise full syllabus and all the best for the final exam.